Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Rashid, and in this tutorial I will brief you that how you can make correction regarding your spelling and grammar mistakes. You know that we all make mistakes while writing, so we have to identify the mistakes and then correct them for good documentation. So let's take a look, and you just need to follow me. Firstly, you can see that that word is underlined by red, okay, and that's mean there is a spelling mistake, right? And that word is underlined by green line, so that's mean there is a grammatical mistake. So you just need to follow me. I will go to review. From here, this is the option spelling and grammar check, or short key is F7, right? So I will click from here F7, and that pen will pop up here. So now you can see that there are two options for me which I can select, right? So that is document with the T or documents, right? I will just click here, okay. So then I can ignore it, right? Ignore all, or I can add a new, right? For example, my name is Rashid, so Rashid is not a word for English, right? Not the word of English. So that's mean I have to write my name, I have to update my name, I have to add my name here. So by adding, I can add my name, right? So from here I will select a document, and then I can change all, and I can change. If I click on change, then it will move me to the next era. So there is no next era regarding the spelling mistake. It is a grammatical mistake, so it moved me to next era, that is grammatical mistake, right? So here I have to use there, and I've already used THEIR, so I have to just click on it, and I will change it. So after when there will be all correction, and there will be a window pop up with spelling and grammar check complete, and you are good to go. So I will just okay it, right? And another thing, that is file options, proofing, right? From here you can customize your setting regarding the grammar and spelling check. For example, that is check spelling as you type, right? So I have checked it. If I didn't check it, when I will be on writing that, if I write a wrong word, so it will not identify that. And if I check it, and then I will write, if I'm writing the wrong word, so it will tell me that you are not writing the so mark grammar errors, type, frequent confused words, check the grammar with spelling, right? Moreover, you can go to setting. From here you can say, I can select grammar, and grammar only, or grammar style. Grammar style mean it will also identify the style, right? So from here you can customize according to your, you can check, you can read it. These are many points, so I can't able to read one by one. So I have a way is given by me to you, so you have to identify, you have to browse all these, you have to read one by one all. And so this is the way by which you can play with the spelling and grammatical, and you have to make your document good by applying grammatical and spelling checks. So thank you very much. This is all for this tutorial, and inshallah see you in the next one. Thank you.